Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show content in this location on explore settings on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, now click privacy and safety, and now click content you see. Here you will find it, explore settings, and here as you see you will find show content in this location. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.